Here we have curve symbol CRV versus the dollar here. And this one still on the weekly time frame. It's been sluggish, or sorry, spending its time. But more importantly, if you just look at this from the most simplistic way possible, which is, well, quite powerful in this case. What do we have here? We have a macro breakout out of the accumulation base. It's been retested for about a month long in November and early December. And this is good, man. This is very, very good long term. And I do suspect that this one will initiate targets higher, somewhere around 669, perhaps in the next, I don't know, couple weeks or so. And then long term, upon validation above that region in the following weeks, I would say probably looking somewhere around, low teens, 11 to 13. This one's actually quite good. So it's going to, I still wouldn't put like a time frame on it, for example, just kind of like guessing based off of the, based off of those time frames. But this thing's bullish as long as you're especially above $4. And short term, might be a bit more, well, short term could very easily correct down to like 469, 465 region. Long term though, I quite like this chart, man. Still good. Just consolidation after a after a macro breakout in this case. That's good. It's very, very good. So that would kind of be my areas of interest right there. Maybe we just go check it over here just to see. Maybe there's something kind of in my face about this, but 4-hour Stokes are corrective. So yeah, short term very likely does trade a bit more sideways and down. Just don't want to see it take out the invalidation points. Daily is actually also curling down below 515. So maybe it is more corrective on the medium and higher term timeframes here too. 5-day will cross back up above 520. Okay. Weekly will also cross up above 450 freshly as well, I should add. So short-term corrective, again, can come down easily to mid-4s and not really do all that much. Long-term, I still quite like it, especially if the weekly confirms above 450 on Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. See something like that, I still keep open, or I'm still essentially just biased towards general continuation towards the upside over the next, month and a half, probably into mid to late January with those targets in mind. And the next sort of major area of interest to the upside, again, about 669, validation above there. Then I start to look towards the low teens essentially. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for curve, man. Very good. Yeah.